Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best wheelbarrows and garden that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best wheelbarrows and garden. They are essential tools for gardening, especially if you're looking to save your back. There are many items that you might want to move around your yard or garden: compost, mulch, fertilizer, plants, garden tools, weeds, etc. Number 5 WORX WGL50 Aero Cart. The WORX Aero Cart has it all: a unique turbo lift design, which manages to make a 200-pound load feel like a 17-pound load, with a volume capacity of 3 cubic feet. Main features: instantly convertible to wheelbarrow. Perfect for carrying. Handles very large loads well. Number 4 Marathon Yard Rover Wheelbarrow and Garden Cart. It has a cushion grip loop handle, making it easier to pull, push, and dump, then hang on a shed or garage wall, and dual wheels for easier balance and lift. Main features: assembly is a snap. 2 wheels make it. Carrying a full load. Number 3 Gorilla Gore 800 Steel Utility Cart. This Gorilla Gore 800 garden cart weighs 45.9 pounds and has a durable 21 inches by 38 inches steel mesh bed, a height of 39.6 inches. Main features: very easy to assemble. Removable sides are extremely useful. Handles bricks. Number 2 Polar Trailer LG7 Lawn and Garden Trailer. It has an all-steel frame and powdered coat finish. The tub is made of heavy-duty polyethylene. This easy-to-maneuver utility cart is shielded ball bearings. Main features: excellent for use with. Easy to maneuver. Twice the size of a traditional. Number 1 Jackson M6T22 Contractor Wheelbarrow. It has a heavy-gauge seamless steel front braces tray, steel leg shoes and cross strips, and an H-brace. It also has a 16 inches knobby tread tube tire with grooves. Main features: metal used is thick. Its quality construction. Comes with a 90-day warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.